want to change your Gmail account username in Android mobile phone, you can change your name on Gmail as many times as you want. You can use Gmail app or Google account to change your username. In this video, I will show you step by step an Android mobile to change your display name or your Gmail account. So let us do start. To change the Gmail ID name of your account, first of all you should open setting on your phone, and after that scroll down and tap on the Google, and then tap manage your Google account, and then tap to personal info, and now scroll down, tap on the name. So also you could enter any name you want, and also you could use nickname on your Gmail account. So this is how to change Gmail username on Android mobile phone. I hope this video will help you to change the username of your Gmail account. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us. Thanks.